In this video, learn how you can unzip a file on your Windows 11 machine. Let's dive in. Hello, my name is Amos Sakwadi. In this video, I'll show you how you can unzip a file on your Windows 11 machine. So on my desktop, I have a file that has been zipped. So to unzip it, I right click on the file, then I click on extract all. Then I give a name, click on extract. This will extract all the zip file to my desktop machine. So the file is completely unzipped. So to locate it, you click on the unzip file. Then you will find the zip file in it. The file that has been unzipped. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Thank you.